hotter. Hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Hotter, hotter. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter, hotter, hotter.
Did you have some oil, your dog? Dog, have the oil, your dog? Dog, the vehicle I'm going to drive. How? The clothes I'm going to wear. Dog, all clothes, dog. You're not for me up class, not for me, dog. All clothes, dog.
Jaja. Oh. Bless up, bless up, bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing going here. I don't know what's the attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So people, as I can tell you right now, people, boy, ja. My beautiful country called Jamaica produced so much great people in this world. You understand? Before me even talk, I'm telling you something. Early in the morning now, so if you hear the rooster start making the noise in the background, people, no feel no way. You understand? Because me a rooster at it right now on a serious level. Because I plant a whole heap of corn outside people and the rooster and them crew just eat up everything. So right now me and him no good. But here we go on, people. So that video there, this selector you know, people, who goes by the name of Bling. You understand? Popular selector over there in a Fort Lauderdale and Baltimore, people. A lot of people know him. So he and his wife, people, basically they have some ups and downs in their marriage. You know marriage got people. At times marriage get upside, they get down or what, you know what I mean? And jaja, people it's sad. So they said that now this man and his wife managed to end up at the same party now. And when he go at the party now, you see his wife around, you know, basically man and something and thing, but not like so them, you know, we are the certain things, people. And they said that him take her home in the car and thing. And when him reach home, there's an argument just develop, people, and can start accuse her of cheating and such, and there's something. And he take out a gun, people, and shot her, kill her. And this happened, as I tell people, on November the 21st, 2020. It is said that when him shoot her, people, he told the son to call the police. And he never run, he not gone away. And the police come and arrested him. You understand? Yeah. So after him do the shooting, people, that's when he go inside the car there and recorded the video. After him do the action, after him kill the woman, him go in the car, record the video. And him not drive, go nowhere and thing. Police come and arrest him. Viewers and subscribers, it is really sad. You understand? Beautiful female gone. Very beautiful female. No let people talk when I say beautiful, because yeah, beautiful female. Everybody beautiful. So no feel no way. Gone by the hands of her husband. Because of what? You say, she a give on, and you can see in the video him play my ball out. Like him a call a name or something, people, and I say, oh, me close them, or me carry them, or me drive, I hold close them. Then at the end him say, well, pardon me. Yo, listen, Virgin. Tired of them domestic something. I wish from the other day I don't really talk about domestic. Yeah, they do the story about the one over in Antigua. You understand? Which at this rate, I love all, even though we have crime and violence in Jamaica, but this year people, we don't have that much like last year domestic affair where it cause, you know, domestic killing and them something the people. But when I say now, viewers and subscribers, so the man, we Jamaican man, we have to learn to control ourselves. See, Even if a woman comes up, boom, and give her the thing. Listen me now, man. She give her the thing. Yo. And you find out. Even if you find out that she give away. Because in this case, people, them say she never see him and the man in a nothing or what. But it managed to two of them end up at the same party. Zane. And people, honestly, if we, man and have a control in the cell, bridging. When you can't make because of some pum when you mash up on the life, and mash up on the self, and mash up on the family, damage everything you wanna got. See? Because this man I got talk about the car them when you drive. The clothes them when you have. Even our old clothes them. Now you're gone left your car them. You gone left your old clothes them because of what? You could control yourself, bling. Bling. You bling an attack for your virgin. Attack for you. But there with a woman I'm married to a woman people and she want to give her the pum pum and what me I gonna do about it? What me I gonna do about it? You have your marriage and you see there's problem with the road that get rocky or so. You have to decide where you want. It's either you have to try to fix it or you have to go call it an end or something. You know hard to do. It have to take a little time to come through, but over in the USA it kind of faster than some place. You have a thing named divorce then, or you go to court or something, you understand? You are going to lose a lot, but it better you lose all of these vanity stuff we have on earth, people. I know you have your life, because once you have life, the journey can continue, but when the life gone, it finished, people, and there's no life in prison. So basically, this man look on a life sentence now in prison, people. Zane, for what? For put him wife 6'6". Make sense? Make no sense. And to our females out there, listen me, man. Listen me. We don't know mankind stay. You were there with a man, and the man may act so simple, The man may act quiet, You understand? But there's one thing in him can trigger him off and make him become that evil monster you don't know, And it's if him find out to give away the pum pum and our suspects, so you give it, Zane? Because I can't talk and control nobody mind or nobody heart, Zane, all I can do is encourage people not to take that dirty road there, or encourage people not to go the rocky road where them are going to mix up in the evil and this. Zane, it is really sad and unfortunate to know that this female has lost her life by the hands of her husband. You get me? But ladies don't have to be careful out there. A lot of ladies want do certain things on expect say you can use man for earth, man and them something, but not every man will take it the same way, because me and NEWLINK me take it and say, you know what, she go do her thing in a girl here and assume when I'm done with her, but the next man, no, all in my mind them I think, how him nice tight up something, and when he used to have it up and I eat it up and I grab it up, I mean a throat, see? Because when the man them eat it up, people it seem like them brain and it's stuck in there that more, so they more feel, you know what I mean? A reality. Not joke thing, a reality, people. So ladies don't have to be careful. It's sad, man. I feel it, people. That story, I feel it, man. I like see when them things happen. I don't like see it. I tell you the truth. I might drive to see two people that live so loving and, if it not work out, just, let go. For the man, them, it not work out. Sometimes when you're there with a woman and not gain from them, you understand, and you feel like if you don't let go, you're going to lose a lot, but it's better when you let go. Same goes to the woman, them. You were with a man, you will gain a lot, but you better you let go. Call it, and just call it an end. Because in the end, as I tell you, if you decide you want to continue, things can go the other way. It's not a good look. It's really sad and I feel it, people. Of course the attacking boss feel it. I just want to send out my condolences to the family. You understand? And for every woman who do them something, I'm going to attack for uno. Me now brand this woman and because give this man no right to kill this woman. But any woman who do certain things, you understand, and know so we can lead to certain things, attack for uno. Any man who have in their heart, them go kill their wife or kill their girlfriend, kill no woman over the pums because she a give away the pums or because them suspects them a give away the pums. Attack for uno. No joke with the attack. It's wickedness and cruelness. See? And uno get you and put you under there. Me not afraid to talk of the truth. And uno get you and put it between them legs. Because we are man. You understand? And not a time man intend them want go out there and say them a chopper and go chop a bag of thing. And if the woman comes up and be a chopper too and go chop a bag of man a trouble a problem. No, we have to understand. If we are give it way and she give it, we are so it go. You can look in yourself, you give it way too, you know. If you not give it way, then, you know, you give no right to kill it. Let go then, because you can't manage she a give it way. You don't even know star. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, people. And more love and more respect. I mean, I tell you, the attacking boss don't like them thing of people. You see it? I don't like them thing, yeah. But I just more love people and more respect. And just stay safe out there, you know. You don't know the thing go. Attack. Remember, people, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so as I drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and Twitter. NEWLINK Production. And people, you cut bad, not true? Buzz. Yeah, man. My barber, man, me Asian barber. Shut down. Buzz. Cross gone, but Cross soon come back. See? Cross upload, I go come now. I go see it. If you upload and comment with the Cross video, it soon come. You understand? Because record video, people pre-record video, and when me I do record, me record 5 different story one time. I saw it with people. You get me? It's different from breaking news. So you don't know. Attack. Peace out. Big up.